Hello everyone, Warlock Technology has developed a module for online hotel booking. Here I am introducing its functionality. First of all, we have to install the module for online hotel booking. I already have installed the module. Once we install the module, we can see the menu called hotel reservation. Inside the hotel reservation, we can create the hotel. I already have created the hotel. And inside the hotel we can add all the necessary details about the hotel, like hotel name, hotel email, hotel contact, hotel address, owner name, etc. From the rooms tab we can add the rooms of the hotels by simply clicking on this add button, and we can enter all the details of the room from here. Inside the hotel images we can upload the images of the hotel. Inside about tab we can add the details about the hotel. About the location we can add the hotel location in the location tab, and inside the facility tab we can add the facility which hotels provide. And we can add the policies of the hotel inside the policy tab. Here we have provided some more configuration like hotel type, hotel amenities, hotel room type, hotel amenities. So from here we can create the room types, and we can add the capacities of the guest in the hotel. Inside the room amenities we can add the room amenities for the room. Here we can create the types of hotels, and inside the hotel amenities we can add the amenities of the hotels. I already have configured all this stuff, so let's go to the website and let's see how it looks in the website and how it works. Once we come in the website, we can see this beautiful interface in the website home page. Here we can search by the hotel name as well as hotel city. So I have created two hotels. First is located in the Gandhinagar. So we can search with the Gandhinagar, and I can search with name also. And here we have provided the filters, so you can filter as per your compatibility. From here we can set the date of check-in and check-out. From here we can add the number of guests. So let's configure the guest. And if we want to book the room, we can simply click on the book now button. Here we have to enter the detail about all the guests. once we enter the detail about the guest, we can simply click on this process button, and once we click on this process button, booking will automatically created in the back end. Inside the hotel booking tag, we can check the booking. You can see the booking is created with today's date, and inside the booking detail we can see the detail about the guest. Booking is created with the draft date, and if we create a payment from the website, you can see payment successful. So let's check in the backend how it affect in the backend. So we can see the invoice is created and the state is changed from draft to the booked. Thank you for watching.